Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George back in court today, asking a judge to get the county DA thrown off his money laundering case. But that hearing didn't go as planned. Marcelino Benito was in the courtroom. He's at the courthouse tonight with the latest.
The hearing here only lasted a couple hours, and despite the defense team's attempts to disqualify the DA and get those felony indictments thrown out, K.P. George still set to face a jury very soon.
We respect the judge's opinion. We respectfully disagree with the opinion.
Tonight, K.P. George's attorney Jared Woodfill reacting after a judge refused to throw Fort Bend County DA Brian Middleton off the case. George is accused of money laundering by misusing his campaign funds and a misdemeanor charge of misrepresenting identity tied to fake racist attacks against his own campaign on social media.
You've got a political vendetta because you want to take this man down at the ballot box and ultimately try to take down his freedom. That's wrong.
George's attorney accused Middleton of prosecutorial misconduct and bias against George, laying out signal messages showing Middleton's disdain for the county judge.
This is a politically motivated prosecution where this individual has been targeted. And if he can be targeted, any individual in this county can be targeted.
Tonight, the DA's office responding too.
What the defense has done is cherry-picked conversations out of context and tried to apply them to this prosecution, which is absolutely false. And the judge agreed with that today in the denial of those motions.
Prosecutors say there's absolutely no reason this case needs to be handled outside Fort Bend County.
Unfortunately, Fort Bend's trash is handled here. We don't pass it to someone else. The law requires us to prosecute cases in our county, and that's what we do.
George not speaking publicly again today. Now, as this moves closer to trial, both sides preparing to make their case to a Fort Bend County jury in just a few weeks.
This is just one battle in a larger war, and we think ultimately Judge George will be exonerated.
As for what comes next here, the county judge's misdemeanor trial set to begin in January. His felony trial will begin 1 month after that in February, and that is the one that could still be ongoing as early voting gets underway for the March primary. Back to you.
We'll take it from here. Marcelino Benito, thank you.